everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about this product here, which I apologize for the pronunciation. I believe it's Clarins, Paris, or Clarins, I'm pretty sure it is. Double serum. So this is the Complete Age Control Concentrate. So for reference, this one is a 30 ml container and this retails for around the $104. However, I have seen this advertised for around $200. So the pricing varies significantly. So as per my fragrance videos, definitely shop around if you are looking to purchase things, because the price variance sometimes is just insane. So packaging wise, I actually really like it. As you can see, I have made a little bit of a dent. So this is what it looks like. I think it is so beautiful, super simple, super nice, and just really classy in my opinion. This is what the box looks like if you are looking to purchase it. I did want to show you this. Again, just really plain, simple and nice, and tells you exactly what you need to know all over the box, which is great. Now I'm just going to read you a little bit about the product and then go into my thoughts on it. So this says the double serum features 21 active plant extracts to act on the appearance of all signs of skin aging. The Biphase serum is held in a dual chamber bottle that dispenses the perfect ratio of water-soluble and oil-soluble ingredients, combining the benefits of two serums in one. Use morning and night after cleansing and toning. To apply, you dispense a small amount of double serum, blend the two textures together and warm the mixture in your hands, and then press into the skin. Now, I love skincare. I absolutely love trying new things, seeing if things are worth it or not. What do I think of this? I actually don't have a lot from this brand, so I was definitely excited to pick this up and try it and let you guys know what I thought. So pricing, I do feel like it is definitely on the higher end of things. I think for a serum, $104 is quite high, but of course that is super subjective. The smell of this product is amazing. It's like what you would expect in a high-end spa. Personally, that's what I feel like it is. It feels amazing putting it on your skin. It makes your skin feel so hydrated pretty much instantly. Like, I feel like it plumps up your skin and gives you almost like a beautiful glow. I really like, I love it. I really do. So yeah, texture wise, I really love it. I personally just use this at night. My skincare routine is basically just a moisturizer or a sunscreen in the day after I get, or before I get ready. And then at night is when I do my true skincare routine process. So just using it once a day. I've used this for a couple of weeks now and you can see I've hardly made a dent. But yeah, I honestly really love this. Can I see a difference? To be honest, it makes my skin feel amazing, and I feel like under my eyes I don't look as tired in the mornings. But just using a product for a couple of weeks, I haven't noticed dramatic changes or anything like that. I still do have like fine lines and wrinkles, especially my forehead, but that's something that more Botox would fix than a serum. So that's just what it is. But yeah, I do really like this. If you come across this product, I would definitely say try and get a sample of it. I prefer to use samples first just to make sure that a product doesn't make me break out or cause any irritation or rashes or anything like that. because that is the last thing that you want. You spend so much money on a product, and if it just does not work with your skin in any way and your skin rejects it and you get a rash or acne or anything from it, then it just feels like such a waste. So definitely try and get a sample, but I really like it. I definitely will continue to use this. Another thing as well, always read the instructions on how to use your skincare. I know that that sounds a bit silly, like how to use a moisturizer or like an oil or something, you just put it on your face. However, I always read what they say on how to use the product, because in this case as well, it tells you to warm it up in your hands and press it into your skin. I have a product from, I think it's Skin Icelandic, the Oxygen Facial Moisturizer, and I was putting it on and I was like, yeah, this is okay. It felt like a normal moisturizer. However, when I read on the actual jar that you rub it between your hands and then it activates and then you press it into your skin, totally different, complete game changer. So 100% definitely read instructions on how to use products. But at the end of the day, I personally really like this. If you have this, let me know your thoughts. Would you repurchase it? Does it work for you? Have you noticed any differences in your journey yet? I would love to know, and I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.